Hello everyone. So today I want to show you the process of wisdom tooth extraction, and this is actually my own tooth. I finally decided to have it removed because lately when I eat, some foods got stuck between the second and third molar and it was painful, especially when I eat meat and it was very hard to take the food out. So here I am. So the dentist has applied a topical anesthesia to numb the injection spot, and after a few seconds now he's doing mandibular block anesthesia, then followed with buccal nerve anesthesia. Well, actually my case is quite simple. My tooth is already erupted in a straight position, so it doesn't need any incision. The dentist is my husband and he likes to give a joke to keep me calm because frankly I'm a bit nervous. So not all wisdom tooth removal is easy or always hard because it depends on each case. The dentist will always observe before doing any treatment, and you may seek your favorite dentist and have a consultation beforehand. Okay, so the tooth is starting to come out. And listen, the dentist is really excited.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Coming.
Take it out, take it out. Okay, here you go. So the tooth has come out and he is still cleaning the surrounding area, rinsing, then double check, and stitching. So the whole process wasn't painful at all. The anesthesia works really well. And after this, I just have to take some medicine daily and wait for it healed by itself. This is my third molar. Bye bye. I'll keep you forever. So if you like my videos, which is mostly about dentistry in Indonesia, please click the like button and subscribe. I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.